While dirt bike riding can be super fun, if you have a family, then you know how important it is to stay safe. That's why I want to show you 3 proven tips so that you can prevent crashes that lead to injuries, because I don't want you to get hurt. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make is going out and riding before they warm up their body or their bike. So you get on the bike, you start it, and you rev it up, and you just go full throttle right away. This is not only harmful to your bike, which I cover in another video, warming it up too quickly, but it's also harmful for your body. You see, when your blood is cold, your muscles are cold and tight, you're not as loose on the bike, and you're just more likely to pull something. You don't have the same flexibility or the strength to be able to control your bike. This is really important if you're short and weak like me and you have a hard time handling a full-size bike. So the simple trick is just warming yourself up. This could be jumping jacks and push-ups for 5 minutes before you get on the bike, or if you don't want to do that, which I hate doing, I hate working out, I'd rather ride. So you can just ride slowly, letting your bike warm up, letting your body warm up. You can stand up, do a short trail loop, or just ride around your yard, practicing your clutch and throttle control at low speeds, but just warming your body and bike up for 5, 10, 15 minutes. The slower you do it and the longer you do it, the better it will be, because your body loosens up better so that you'll have more control and ride safer. Another huge mistake, especially if you have a group of like faster riding buddies, or maybe you're a female that rides with the guys, you're maybe pressured into riding faster, or maybe riding a trail that's out of your experience range. So if you know that you start riding faster, riding out of your comfort zone than you can comfortably handle, just slow down. It's okay. You're not a professional rider, or at least you're probably not getting paid for a living to ride, so why risk it? If you tone it down maybe just 10%, you can still have fun and you're way less likely to get hurt. So if you start feeling that you're just tenting up and you start making little mistakes and you feel like you're getting out of control, just slow down and work on being smooth. And while yes, it is important to push your limits to become a better and faster rider, riding too far out of your comfort zone for too long is just a recipe for leading to a crash that could get you injured. And then the third huge mistake is not mastering how to control your bike at slow speeds. Maybe you've heard the saying, when in doubt, throttle out, or if you want to have more balance and control, just give it more gas. This can help, but if you're already out of control, if you're already out of balance with your body on the bike, just going faster may help you have more balance initially, but once you get too far out of control, you're just gonna fall down and crash harder. So when you can learn how to control the clutch and the throttle, riding over obstacles and staying balanced at slow speeds, then you're gonna have more control when you actually want to ride faster. Not only is it harder to ride over obstacles when you're riding slower, it's more challenging and it's more fun, but it's also safer. So when you're riding slower, you're practicing your fundamentals, you're less likely to crash, and if you do crash, it's probably not going to hurt much. This also means that you can practice in your backyard, because you don't need much space to ride slow and practice your clutch and throttle control. So if you want to improve your balance and your traction, which are the foundations of riding with control, I want to give you a free guide. It's my basic techniques. You can grab that guide at motocrosshideout.com/free lessons, or click the link in the description below. This is Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more, so that you can stay safe and have fun with your family and friends for many years to come.